We're here in Paradise, California today at the Arbor Day Foundation Tree Give Back events. We have the community out here picking up trees to take to their homes, and we're also planting trees out here today.
People think rebuilding is rebuilding our homes, and it is, but so much of it is actually rebuilding like what we had outside. So we're trying to refigure out the new balance. How do we replant, make it beautiful again, but be a lot more fire safe?
We need a wide variety of trees for this ecosystem here on the ridge, and as a community we have the opportunity to do so many things to improve our resilience to wildfire.
For me, it's very personal because I lived up here during the fire. I think it's a wonderful thing that everybody's doing. It makes me want to cry.
It's incredible to work for a company that really cares about its people and cares to give back, cares to do good in the community.
It's beautiful to see SageSure supporting the communities in these locations.